Good morning, children. Next, we will see the learning more tools in the Tux Paint. Means how many tools? Till now, we have seen so much of tools, right? Yes or no? We have seen different types of the tools. For example, shape tool, line tool, eraser tool, paint tool, everything, right? But in this chapter, we'll see under the tools, what all tools will be available. Means under the paint tool, some other tools will be available. What are that? We will be seeing today. Okay, TuxPaint is a free computer art software for the children. Yes, it is also one of the art. It will be like MS Paint. How it will be MS Paint will work? It's like a TuxPaint also. But in the TuxPaint, it will be a more attractive and innovations will be there. Yes, isn't it right? You have already learned the TuxPaint tools, right? What are the TuxPaint tools? Shape tool, line tool, eraser tool, paint tool, new tool, save tool, and open. Next, stamp. So many are there. Yes, in the last chapter we have studied. So in this chapter we'll learn about the some other tools related to that. Okay. Next, paint tool. Paint tool is used to make a freehand drawing on the drawing canvas area. Yes, right. Paint tool is used to make a freehand drawing on the drawing canvas area. It can be make the drawings with a free-handed. No need other tools to for paint tool. What are that paint tools? Under the paint tools, what all will come? Number of sub tools can be used in the text paint to draw different shapes. Some of the these sub tools are means under the paint tool. The some other tools will be there. What are the tools? Free-handing drawing tool, arch brush tool, brush shape, sorry, pattern brush shape is that. Okay, first is freehand drawing tool. Freehand drawing tool means first we will be selecting the brush and we will be keeping some dots or we will be drawing some different sizes. See here, you can see in this image they have drawn with anything. They did not use a circle, triangle, anything they did not used. They took the shape means what type of the brush we needed. Small here they have took the small one dot one and they have drawn this picture. So this we call it as a freehand drawing shape. Next we call it as an as brush shape. Means it is a unique subtool which has a as the appearance means it will be like a little bit of the burl part. It will be little bit bigness, means thickness will be more only, but it will be it will be looking like the Dutch shapes will be looking. See here they have used one clouds to draw. How it is we'll see now. So follow these steps to draw a picture using the as brush shape subtool. Select the paint tool and choose the smallest dot from the brush tool in the right side. In the right side, smallest dot. See here you can see the different types of the dots are there. So here this small dot they have took and they have by using that select the as brush shape. Here some as brush shape. Here only I have shown. No? Here see here it is as brush shape. If you select this and if you start and then you have to select the blue color or which color if you want, and if you start the cloud you can see you can see here the cloud shape. Okay, have we got? Next we will see the pattern brush shape. Pattern brush shape, it is also one of the sub tools under the paint tool. It will appear a different means different patterns. It is used to draw the different patterns. What are the patterns? See, you can see in the picture so many patterns it will be appeared. What are the steps are there? So follow these steps to draw the above picture in the Tux Paint. Select the paint tool. Now you see the brushes tool in the right side. Here you can see if you come down and if you go up, so many brushes tools will be there. There you can see so many brush tools are there. So here see star, rectangle, so then triangle, so many things are there. So if you select cat, so many things are there. If you select and if you start typing it, means if you drag it and if you make it like this, it will be printing it. Okay. See, they have given. Select the cat shape tool and draw the above picture. you will be observed that you will move the mouse up and down, the cat changes its running position accordingly. Means if you start drawing it, if you make the mouse pointer up and down, it will change its position. Then if you move like this only, it will be printed the cat print. Have you got? Next, similarly you can select the subtools like vine shape brush, starfish brush, spiral pattern, triangle pattern to draw a different pattern. See here in this picture you can see the different patterns, right? By using the tools only they are drawing it. Have you got children now? Thank you.